Barcode scanners were just built for a simpler time. Retail used to move slower, so inventory was more static and scanning one item at a time was pretty manageable. But the world has changed so drastically, so now stores and warehouses are moving thousands of items every day, often across multiple channels. When you have to scan each package individually and maybe rescan if the label's damaged, or maybe enter a number manually if it won't register, that slows everything down at these volume levels. Meanwhile, package volume has exploded. So now you've got kind of this perfect storm where you have more items to process, more room for error, and less time to get it all right. This tool that used to be associated with efficiency has turned into a bottleneck. And as a result, we're seeing a lot of retailers shifting towards smartphones or RFID or even computer vision because these tools match the pace and the complexity of modern retail. It's not so much that the barcode scanner has failed, it's just that the world moved on.